Hello, beautiful, amazing coders. How are you this lovely day? Or I don't know if it's for you a lovely sunny day. I don't know if it's morning or night, but here it's raining like crazy. So I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but for me it is quite loud. Anyway, because it's raining, it's actually a good day to code. We cannot go outside. We are on day 10 with social share of the challenge daily UI. And I was thinking, what do I want for social share? I made a quick search over the Google images to see how other icons look like. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of them have some social share buttons. And we are going to create something really simply. It's going to be a button with a font family. So in this video, I'm not going to show you a lot of things about coding, but I am going to show you a few things about typography. I will be working with CodePen as always, but you can find the code that I will be using either on CodePen or even on GitHub. I will leave these two links in the description box below. Oh, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Great, let's start coding. I have my working area right here, which is the part here in the middle, and this is where all of our code is going to be. And then on the CSS, I don't have a lot of things. I just have like a body, a theme, the working area, which again is this part right here, and last but not least, the footer, which is the last part right here. Let's go again to the HTML and start creating our button. In order to do so, I'm going to copy this one right here. Let me have my div. I'm not sure if I need this class theme, so I'm going to delete it. And as for this one, for sure I don't need this. Okay, I want to have a button, so what I should do is to create it, of course. I will name it as a button. Okay, that's it. I will need probably a class, so let's also create that one. I will call my class share button. Okay, and yeah, that's it for now. Maybe later we will add something. Okay, we do have this. Let's go to write the class of share button. Okay, we will need quite a few things. First of all, I'm going to need a font size. I will have it as a 3em, and then a width. I'm going to do it like a big button, so width 200 pixels, and for height I'm going to have like 100 pixels. I will also do it as a border radius. I like my buttons to have like a small radius, maybe 8 pixels is enough. And then I will also have like a border with 2 pixel solid, solid and the color of purple. Okay, what else? Maybe also background color. Oops, not image, just a color. And I will have this the same as that one right here. I like that color. Okay, now let's see the font family, and here is the new thing. Okay, I will go to Google Fonts, and again I will leave this link in the description below. You can find from here a lot of font families that you can use like with a glimpse of an eye in your website. There is a great variety, and you can change the settings and the properties to create the font family that you are looking for. There are categories, there are sorting, languages, number of styles, thickness, slant and width. I mean, There's pretty much everything here, and you can play like a lot of hours. Let's say for example that I want the cute font. I will just click on this one, select this font, and as simple as that I can use it. I've already picked two, for example the cute font, and then like another one. I cannot find it right now, but as soon as you pick one, then you will click on the circle icon or in the circle button, like this one right here, okay, and you will see it. So I picked the Pacifico one. I like this font family. Now in order to use this, you will go here that says two families selected, because I chose two families, the cute font and the Pacifico. And from here you can copy that part right here. Okay, go back to your website, and in the head you can paste it. That's it. And the other thing that you need is specify in CSS. You just copy that part again, go to your CSS, and you can paste it. So as simple as that, you have it. Okay, it's not difficult at all, and see how it changed. I think this looks way better. Now another thing that I'm going to do is to have like this button hover with color of purple. So we have the font family, we have the beautiful border, and now we can also just hover it and see this change right here. The last thing that I'm going to add is a small animation. I've already shown you how to use the website of Animista. If you didn't see my previous video, I think it was on day 8, I show you how to use the Animista tool, and it's a tool that helps you create some animations. So I will also leave, of course, this link in the description box. I am on the top of text, and for the options I have selected the text. The duration is 0.9 seconds, the delay is 1 second, and for the iteration I will leave it in the default one. I'm on tracking in, and I will go here that says generate code. I'm going to copy this class and I'm going to paste it right here. I will also need this class to be added into my HTML, so I'm going to add it here, and then I will also need the framework, so let's go back to the CSS and add this as well. Okay, now you can save your project, and so here you have it. I think it looks like really good. I don't think that you need something, you know, extra, because we are talking about a social server. If it's something like too extra, people might find it weird, or they might don't want to embed it into their website because it will be looking like very differently from the other social button icons. So I think that you should keep your social server button quite simple. And that was for me. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any question, and again I wish you to have a happy coding session. Thank you, see you really soon.